Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you can you use two SIM cards and a memory card at the same time on Samsung Galaxy A27. Okay, the thing is that it depends. In my case, in my hardware version, I have the Polish version to be more precise. If you want to know the exact model number, it's SMA276B, and it has one SIM tray, hybrid SIM tray, so I can only place or two SIM cards at the same time, or a SIM card plus one micro SD card. It's impossible in my case to have two SIM cards and also the SD card. Let me show you. Let's get the SIM tray out. Okay, we have it. And as you'll take a look, I can place the SIM card on its place just like that. And now I have a decision. Do I want to use the second SIM card or the micro SD card? If I place the SD card in here, you can now clearly see that we don't have space for the second SIM card. So that's the only configuration that I can do. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.